Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is an unboxing video again. So this is a welcome kit from Infosys. Yes, you guessed it right, and this is an welcome kit from Infosys. So this is 2022 Infosys welcome kit. You will be getting this welcome kit after 2 months of joining Infosys. Now let us open the box and see what are the goodies or gifts we have got from Infosys after joining Infosys. Let us start. Now this is how it looks like inside the box. So here is the box. Let us open the box. So first of all, after opening the box, you will get to see a warm welcome letter signed by HR. So this is the letter. So it says welcome aboard. So this is the letter. So I guess this is the theme of Infosys of this welcome kit, which is blue. So everything inside this is blue. So now you can see the magnet, and this is a blue bottle. So here again it is embossed with Infosys logo. Bottle size, maybe it is 750 ml approximately. So it's a steel bottle, not a plastic bottle. Next we have is a diary. Again, this is blue color diary, and it is indeed a very good quality diary, I must say. So Infosys logo again embossed on this diary, on the pages, on the front. So here is the look of the diary. Pretty good, right? Next we have is a pen. Again, yes, Infosys logo on it, Infosys written. Next we have is this cube. Let us open and see. So this is a 3D cube, and it's a unique product. Now the fun part is you can view the hologram of Infosys when you see from the mobile. So here is how you can see. So you'll have to go to Google Play Store, download the app, which is AR Magic Experience. Open the app and then try seeing the 3D cube, and you will get to see Infosys hologram. So this is how the cube works, and it's a pretty good cube. So these are the items which we have got from Infosys as a welcome kit, which is a welcome kit for 2022. That is this 3D cube, pen, a diary, a magnet, and a bottle. So these are the items, and that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. If you like, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, please go and check out my channel for other videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.